to discuss a topic called scalars and vector in this video. So with the help of a simple example, we are going to understand what is a scalar and what is vector. So here let me assume that I am in my home sitting idle. Okay, I got a call from my friend saying that he needs some help from me. So he called me and said that he is located at 150 kilometers away from my home, and he didn't said in which direction he is there and in which into which part do I need to come. So I'm a little bit confused. So here will be I'm knowing only so I got confused because I know only he's 150 kilometers away from me. So here I got in only one dimensional information, so I'm stating it as a scalar quantity. So to which direction I need to move, I don't know, right? So whether he's in northeast or north or west or south or east, I don't know in which direction to move in order to reach him. So this is a complicated information, only is a half of information I got. So I'm terming it as a one-dimensional information and I'm stating it as a scalar quantity. So and afterwards I made a call to him and asked him where are you at. Okay, so at that time he told that I'm located in northeast direction, so you need to move in northeast direction 150 kilometer so that you can reach me very easily. So here now he gave two-dimensional information. One is a distance and other is direction. So with this I'll be it will be easy for me to reach his location exactly, right? So here if we know the direction, then it is easy for us to move in that particular direction and reach him. So this states that a scalar will not be having any direction, and whereas a vector will be having direction. So here simply in order to say one-dimensional information is known as scalar quantity, two-dimensional information is known as a vector quantity. This is what we have come up with. So here we in an clear format. So here if we know only information about a distance or a quantity which is having only number, we will be taking it as a scalar quantity, only an information. So here if we have an direction, so in which direction we need to move or in which direction we need to move so that we'll be able to reach that particular point, then we'll be having two-dimensional information. I will be terming it as an vector quantity. So here distance can be considered as a scalar quantity, whereas the term displacement will be considered as an vector quantity over here. So here if we look at some more examples, so here we'll be considering speed as an scalar quantity, as it is having only magnitude but it will not be having any direction. Similarly velocity will be having a magnitude and as well as direction, so we'll be terming this as a vector quantity. Velocity will be having magnitude and as well as direction, but speed will not be having direction, right? So here the units might be of same. Speed and velocity will be having same units, that is meters per second or kilometers per hour, but in velocity will be mentioning the direction. Similarly here change in temperature will be taking it as a scalar quantity, but whereas temperature rise or fall will be taken as vector quantity, because change in temperature, whether it might be of positive or negative change, we don't know that, but we know a number, that is temperature change has been observed, that is 10 degrees difference in temperature is there. If suppose 10 degrees temperature rise is there, means we'll be terming it as a vector quantity. 10 degrees fall in temperature, then also we'll be terming it as a vector quantity, because it's having a direction, whether it's moving in upward direction or whether it is moving in downward direction, we know, so we'll be terming it as a vector quantity. So in further coming classes we'll be discussing about rotations of under rotation of these vectors in different directions or different planes, how these are going to result, we'll be looking after it. So as of this video, we'll be closing this one by here.